So Tuesday, they have the Passover meal. He does communion with the disciples. Okay? And then they go to the Garden of Gethsemane. He goes to pray. The whole thing happens. The priest, the guard, they come to arrest him. He's taken before the Pharisees, before the Sanhedrin. He's beaten and accused all night. It says straightway in the morning, they brought him to Pilate. So we're now on Wednesday. He was crucified by almost 9 a.m., according to the scriptures.
Wow.
So you're talking early in the morning they were like pretty much waiting outside of Pilate's house.
So he was crucified on Wednesday. That's what I'm trying to get
Yeah.
Bringing in the watches, that might help everybody. With
The what?
The watches, so the first watch, 6 to 9.
Right.
The second watch, that way people understand the time, that may help them more.
Right. Yeah. So what you'll
So he
see
died
is
on Wednesday.
So what you'll see is right. So Wednesday they brought him to Pilate. He's on the cross by Tuesday. He's on the cross by 9 a.m. Okay? It says darkness came over the land by noon.
Right.
From noon to 3.
Right.
It became dark.
Right.
So he was on the cross from almost 9 to noon. During all that time is when they're divvying up the clothes, doing all kind of stuff.
Right.
Now notice, Tuesday night is a Sabbath day. Wednesday is a Sabbath day.
Why is that?
Okay? Because Tuesday is Passover.
Right.
Wednesday is the first day of unleavened bread.
Right,
Which is
okay.
a holy day. So it's a Sabbath.
Got it.
Wednesday-
Those are Sabbath days. Got it.
So Tuesday he's that happens. Wednesday he's in there. He's on the cross, and then between 3 and 6 he dies. Now we know he died between 3 and 6 because it said it was dark from 12 to 3, and it says that before 6, the Jews went to the Romans and said, we want him off the cross before our Sabbath begins. So their Sabbath would begin at 6. So they said, we want him off the cross before then. When they went to break the legs of all the people. The other 2 guys were still alive.
Right.
They broke their legs and they eventually would die. They went to him. He was already dead. So they didn't need to break his legs, which fulfills the prophecy that not a bone would be broken and all these other things. So you have a window of between 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. on Wednesday is when he dies. Thursday, 3 to 6 p.m.
Thursday.
Friday, 3 to 6 p.m. Saturday,